What are goods and services? A good is something that is made or grown. You buy and consume goods. Goods are things you can keep, touch, eat, or use. An apple, computer, or pencil are all examples of goods. A service is work that someone does for someone else. When you buy a service, you hire people to perform a job. You are not buying something you can touch or hold. A painter, a teacher, or an auto repairman are all examples of people who provide services. Read each sentence below and circle if a good or service was purchased. Number 1, I went to the hair cuttery and got a haircut. Is this a good or a service? This would be a service because someone did something for someone else. Number 2, I stopped by the grocery store and bought bread and milk. Would this be a good or a service? It would be a good because you bought something that you can touch with your hands. Let's try one more. Number 3, I hired my neighbor to cut the grass. Would this be a good or a service? You should have said service because you paid someone to do something for you. Now you can try the last couple on your own and then go to the practice activity in the resource area.